Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MLA ke 17 North Shillong Constituency upa Adelbert nongrum hini kesingi ula pelat Paidbah ya ke Skhim hapo ke Special Urban Work Program hawahing do Community Hall. Hakani kesingi upa Adelbert ula sam ya ke MLA Skhim jong usnam ahja apply arpusau bad jong usnam arhajar arpusau arpusan. Habakran hakani kesingi nak liang upa Adelbert ula kentui kirang ba shnong bakin pet kamtam hakabede bagajing pentrai kam ya ke Skhim ki shnong kithau. Ulaong baga kuat ke subah kamtam habede bagi cing trai kam kalong ke badan kamha. Kum ki trairi trai muluk lapidei ki khasi ni ki bamdei khasi hendei ki belasong lasa hang ni udo. Ula benrap da ke boong ba ukmi renti bikin trai lang da benta ke roi kepar jong ke constituency. Dei tang ling ba ke cing trai lang bikin la bantei ya kalawei ban ke bha kemiat ki nong shong shong. Shu uba Adelbert ulaong ba ukwa ya ke polisi om ya ke politics. Bat kumba ujukular balada ujob nerem un beteng ban syakri ki Paidbah. Ngimdei ban aila de ki kam bom Wanrah jingso hendei ban yadai ki trairi trai muluk kum juru ye ki non tribal bangila yenglang ban ai ke ju ke jing syakri ban kentiu ye ke jerla. Hakani kesngi MLA ula sam ki work order syaki shnong ki school ki college ba syaki we de bakin yo ban pentrei nak mda ke jimentoi jong ki Paidbah. Ula benrap da ke boong ba ke jing it ki Paidbah ba ujob ye ki election om da ka spa ka phau ulaong ba shwa bu un kala ya ka nongrim hangta un sange no ya baro ki ba ule bat ya ka politik ru kumju shu akan ngi uba Adelbert ule pelat ya ka website jong u knang ba ki Paidbah kin tip ya ki Skhim ki ba ula Wanrah baru ki kam ki mat ki ba ukran na ka benta ki Paidbah ka jai benriu.
The financial assistance to the Rapishta mission, the approved amount is 78,865 rupees. Tangan kat saya tangan di 10 lakhs rupees kepala approve kalau mereka applause ya jika berjam hadiah ini kat ya list 4,50,000 rupees. Yeah, the proof amount is itself to the headman of the Jayao Darvashnam Jayao Police. Proof is 11,20,000 rupees. And Jayao adoption law, and the proof amount is 2,10,000 rupees. At the same time, approved is 1,70,000 rupees. Das passing through the Oakland LP School at Oakland Shillong.
Kajik syakri, ringkat mana pemali, hababun dibanta, hamtam hagaroi kekiu. Ai kublai kerpang, nakabanta kamansiam, kajik trelang, anang kebilanti, mengenang yo sisu kajik trelang. We will try our level best to carry forward the service towards our beloved human being. Heads from the, I would love to say that, I would love to mention a leader's head of the Tenyo Moro, the resident who are also here with us. Maybe Gandhiji also is here, if not mistaken. I welcome you all. Please make comfort yourself. As family members, we are here together. I do hope this is the very first time which happened in our constituency. I always try and I always reminding all of us, even before election, during election, I'm not interested, in fact, just because of the sake of politics. What I'm interested in is policy. But where we have seen in our beloved state, adaptation of conspiracy has been the act which create a big distance among us as a beloved resident of constituency and as a state as a whole. made a promise that whether I won the election or lose the election, I'll try always myself to give my service to the people. Thank God Almighty for giving me this privilege to allow me to extend my service, be it in developmental activities, be it in issues which we have seen that our beloved state of Meghalaya, we should never allow any incident which create the unlawfulness in our beloved state, which we believe that our state is a peaceful state, and we have seen what had happened in our neighboring state, Assam, as well the nation Bangladesh. We have seen lots of things to be done to protect, to prevent, and to safeguard our being as the indigenous, not only indigenous Khasi, but I'm talking also to indigenous non-Khasis. For many years long, together, we are trying to uplift our beloved state. All alone, we cannot do anything except together. This spirit of togetherness, spirit of giving the service, equal service, should be born among us. And I reveal those times that I wanted myself to be the bridge of these two communities. We cannot separate among us. We don't want to see and we don't want to hear that our beloved friends, non-Khasi, who are the genuine or indigenous non-Khasi in our state, that they will leave slowly and slowly, left this place. Who will replace them? If those people who came yesterday, if they are the one who are going to replace, then what will be the assurance that we could give for the future generation? I would dare to say that we must have fear. We should not fail to address such issue. And today, our program is very special because I do hope that this is the very first time happening in our beloved state. Yes, of course, everyone knows that I am with the VVP Voice of the People Party, the party which believes the transparency, and I have already adopted that policy since before I joined myself with this very party. I will not speak a lot because I believe and I do hope that all of us believe not in words but in action. Angit, baka ni kawo order kung polite mata. Ano ba yung pikiran ba siya nang bayi beton kabai chairman in support if the respective locality ho today kabanta sa ako memori dengan ko apa lembah jumpi kani ka bang pau bang idon kita ka bang extend our hands towards the betterment bang idon equal responsible equal and collective effort hari lu dibanta nakabanta ka jumpa kabiyan kabahagiaan I could play Kerpang jadi president, party secretary, John Kisengite, Sing Sama, sports clubs, even from the other side, representing on this very occasion, women from the organization. We welcome you all. Kuleshibon, nakabanta kanigapor, but naku apan pa kanigapor, kidon kiparo. Kijunga, kaba ngatrai fi paro kiban sangut bangan rebut. How do you pour the differences happening baka party VPP. Kita nak ni kebalesi nak kalian cuma request lembaga si sahabat dan iba media lalu masa ai kecil nasi sibuk nak kuat ayat nomor ni nasi dalam puslai pa. And it's come baru. I do believe that everyone, not only here but outside, my beloved supporter, who never asked me, from me, for their own individual profit or benefit. That's why, in my place, I never got a chance to keep the chair in front, and always try to keep the responsibility to accomplish my duties accordingly for my beloved citizen, my beloved electorate of my constituency. Masuk datang, masuk kitram. Nak bentang baru kita bersino perkitram yang. Therefore, I with confident always, even in the house, in the floor of the house, I always says these words that I'm here. People elected me, people who are being my beloved electorate, sending me to represent the people, to represent the constituency, not because of the sake of the chair or for my share, but to work for the betterment, for this present and for the future. Masukuman, bang aku abang keren, menurut mesin, hantam, iting banyu ikaw ada. Hangasimat, ngayon sekarang berkira bahasa bayi, tuan borong, can supervise lang yang ini work to be taken in respective localities. Please supervise them along. Don't leave them alone. So that we should assure that no compromise with the work quality. Kata apa kerja besar, ki engineer, nak municipal kita hangni, ki subah make sure ban conduct ya ka survey ke jongki accordingly benar-benar ka compromise harap ni ka work quality harap ni keren yang secure harap ni keren yang transparency yang sedang nuna po lemba jongki kita receive the work order. You not expect that everyone will be receiving the work order. It can be expected that everyone will be receiving the work order. Lalu dan sans pamut, the members, the supporter, 100, 20, 35 or 50. Kita kena perlu the work order, but kita kena get out the work accordingly. Kita tidak compromise, no compromisation. Bana kalian kena bahas nama mereka baju. Makin mudai ban I completion certificate para New York ya job satisfactory. You should make sure that the work should be satisfactory. Should be satisfied. Otherwise, from your end, should not issue the completion certificate. Persang, laibu di board, mangan persang ban touch. The pro constituency equally. Some may class that Adelbert is anti-non-tribal, is communal person. Because of love and trust, I could be in this position, not with other alternative, like others. Proudly, they confess that I won my election by 10 crores, by 20 crores, but myself by love and trust. That's why I'm not going to compromise. Be it if I happen to be in the party or any of the position, I will not compromise. What I have already made my promises to my beloved people. Jadi, ini aku akan diterima. Karena penpau isi sejarah bahasnya, karena kuahi pan don kata kejalan berkerpang. Nah, selalu berjalan berkerpang, jom di secondary, send sama di sports club from both sides. European world will be having meeting together with me as a local Malay to discuss how should I extend my hand towards these organization. buat ban penpau ni buat kamu ini pilih orang buat ban keren buktian buat ban penpau ya kikam masuk sungai ya Paidbah Constituency. In fact, I should not say sorry because I have done no wrong. I did no wrong, in fact, as a representative. But some suspicious thought has entered into our mind that by Adelbert maybe he became a changed person. Maybe he had changed his principle. But I'm there to make once again my confession that before I change myself, before I change my principle, I will quit everything. Even if I have to quit the politics, I'll have to. Barang apa kau nak dia? Ini nak nombor ni kau bangun. Nanti no, ya kiki bro. I always believe that the only true and trusted friend, especially in the arena of politics, is myself and my principle. Aku akan pau, ani opor. Begini juga ada tiba ni isu, mentah ada kerpaju bagi kiban seshinti, kiban beneficiaries, contractor, ke pendepok, laga jawab kamram, ke deiti, barga cerita clear. Bahkan ini rumah macam itu, tanya itu ki bayo berisi kau order. Kinselek aku kerpang, nak kau tentang organisation, kemana berpau, secretary, sama, bagi sports club. Balik kue dah. Kau susu nak kamu pernah cerita yang lengkap lembah dalam bahasa identify yaki educated youth, unemployed youth. We should not allow to see them that they are going astray or to walk away from the family or from society. Taman release yang ni kiwa ada. Taman should release ini water untuk menai. It doesn't mean that it is enough. I feel that it is not enough. That's why I'm introducing. And today itself, right now, I'm going to launch my website, which will be easy for you all to make access in regards with any work carried out by me as your MLA in the constituency as well in the assembly. So please take this opportunity, and I'm going to launch this website. Once again, I take this opportunity to express with all my thankful heart, especially for all of you who are present here today. I left out some of important, respectable representative who had represent here today, a representative from the Skhim, and all principal from all around my constituency. I am so sorry that I will not be able to name or to mention each and every institution. So thank you once again for your presence.